medicinal part, we'll come to that. So obviously the therapeutic effect is exceedingly high. The Ayurveda has always recognized cannabis leaf. It's called Vijaya. So ये चीजें documented है सरकारी क्या कहते हैं उसमें जो भी आपके वो होते हैं गवर्नमेंट के
सरकारी
एक्ट,
ऑफिशियल एक्ट्स में,
हाँ बिल्कुल,
and
अरे
it's
हमें इफ वी ऑपरेट अंडर लाइसेंस ऑफ आयुष, ठीक है, वो मतलब तभी मिलता है जब सरकार रिकॉग्नाइज करती है। तो हवा में हम कुछ भी नहीं बना सकते हैं, ठीक है।
एग्जैक्टली
सरकार मतलब इस चीज का अगर आपको लाइसेंस मिला है तो गवर्नमेंट इसको रिकॉग्नाइज करा है, डॉक्यूमेंट करा है, ठीक है। अगर आप आज की तारीख में हिंदुस्तान का ड्रग एंड कॉस्मेटिक एक्ट खोलिएगा तो उसके अंतर्गत कैनबिस सटिवा इज रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एज अ ड्रग ऑफ वेजिटेटिव ऑरिजिन, ठीक है। इट इज वेरी क्लियरली मेंशन्ड, इट इज classified as schedule even drug because of the psychotropic nature of it. That's obviously there's so many other plants which are psychotropic or has the psychoactivity. That's a one part of it because of the THC content in it. But at the same time it has a very clear black and white recognition, okay.
wow.
And also not just that, see if you open Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia of India, it says what is Vijaya. It's a leaf, dried leaf, proper लिखा है cultivated or widely procured leaf of cannabis sativa plant. आपका ये हिंदुस्तान में ये नाम से जाना जाता है, Indian hemp is another name, okay. Then उसके बाद आपका what should be the dosage of it, what are the conditions for it, how कैसा दिखता है, कैसा होता है, इतने डिटेल में चीजें बनाई हुई हैं. इट्स नॉट कि सिर्फ आप ले लो हो गया. इट हैज बीन वेरी वेल स्ट्रक्चर्ड, वेरी वेल स्ट्रक्चर्ड, पूरा का पूरा. एनीवे, so about the plant, I always get away from it, is that as you're talking about the entire plastic part, right? So जो plant है उसका हर एक हिस्से का इस्तेमाल है, right? The seeds, the hemp seeds are used as a good superfood, as you call it, like one of the amazing source of protein for you, right? Amazing source of omegas for you, right?
Wow.
Those who are vegans, right? If you want to move away from the whey protein जो होता है आपका,
omega from fish liver coil,
exactly,
like our oceans are poisoned. The state of ocean lakes, everything is a big swamp. It's gone. The diversity there is like, I am not actually from a bio background. Now that I'm coming, I'm looking into, sorry to interrupt you. The things that we put on our table is as good as poison. As good as poison, whatever we are eating, or इसलिए तो so many lifestyle hazards are coming.
Exactly.
So many, like everyone, I don't know a single person who's not facing something, from gastroenteritis to headaches to having cognitive disorders to coming up with cancers. Like young people our age, intelligent, healthy, lively, jogging one day and pata chal raha hai ye sab ho raha hai. Kyun? And people are like, I have led a healthy lifestyle. No, it's because everything is in our ecosystem, eating, plastics, our stomach, our body has a credit card load of plastic, god damn it. So this is like a very important topic. I didn't know that you can have omega from this. I just want to get rid of having fish liver cord oils. Yeah.
Hemp seed is amazing source for it. Omegas is one of them. Essential amino acids are one of them. So as a superfood, it has been perceived. Then uske baad, as I said, flowers and buds have tremendous medicinal potentials. And when it comes to your the fiber part of it for clothing, it is used. जो the outer coating होती है जो आपकी जो stem की जो होती है, you make fibers out of it, you make clothes out of it, plastics बनते हैं उससे, ठीक है. There are companies who are working on it. I think the hemp plastic एक company है which is working on the packaging part. फिर एक सना packaging करके है, they are also on the hemp based packaging. उसके बाद जो अंदर के होते हैं ना आपके hemp herds कहते हैं उनको, जो अगर आप if you remove the outer coating, they are used as construction materials, ठीक है. तो आई थिंक इंडिया में भी कंपनी है जो काम कर रही है, आई थिंक ग्रीन जैम्स नाम है उनका शायद. एंड देयर आर मोर कंपनीज इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया एज वेल. दे हैव मेड हाउसेस यूजिंग हेम्प सीड. इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट, अलोरा केव्स आपको पता होंगे, अजंता एंड अलोरा केव्स, राइट? दे हैव यूज्ड हेम्प सीड, hence proved thing. people have documented and published paper onto it.
You made
That
paintings out of it. Like people right in front of you. Don't waste your degrees.
Exactly. I mean, people have done research, published papers talking about how hempcrete has actually helped, preserve all the sculptures for centuries, right? So this is something, a plant which can cater to multiple industry and can obviously have a potential threat to multiple industry. If you talk about
beer and
the conspiracies or whatever, I mean, see, it is a very understood and known fact that cannabis was suppressed for for whatever reason, by whom.
Yeah, there was a lobby against it. Like, अरे गंदा है this ये.
हाँ, I mean, they are
घर में
proper
बच्चों को
ads.
बात करने मत दो इसके बारे में. If I talk about
proper ads, exactly.
Well, I'm like smoking people are doing. Smoking is injurious for health and promoting it. बड़े-बड़े cigar लेके movies में Hollywood, Hollywood सब करके. But yeah, if something which is actually good, and I know people, especially who how I came to know about this, the toppers and all, they used to take little bit of this and then you didn't even study. How are you falling? Okay, focus. You get focused. You should try it. I'm like, I'm not gonna try all these things, but I know that people are doing it. And then they have incredible attention spans, and of course in the long run, if you take it just like that, you become an addict. Of course, everything.
There is a bit of a rate of addiction has been found. That's true.
It's with everything. I'm working with internet. I am already addicted to it. So what to do? Like, even when I'm coming back home, I know there are no emails, no nothing. My hand or my attention automatically first goes there. Email aaya ki nahi? So
social
it's
media,
like,
I believe, is one of the
that's another thing. Yeah, exactly. So I believe that actually everything on this planet is, I believe there is a good part, there is a bad part. And the thing is, if you're not educated and not aware about it, yeah, we will never come to know. We will miss all these good things about that, this thing that it holds so much potential. And yeah, but outside, rarely people talk about it. They don't even have a conversation. बोलेंगे अरे कोई ड्रगी के साथ बात करे क्या वैसे भी I'm coming from India and dark skinned ना so they already like I face this
that's I mean what do you call discrimination, that will be a separate topic. Cannabis plus discrimination against colored people is a huge topic which has actually needs a different kind of a discussion, probably whole depth to it. But yes, I mean, there has been a structured lobby against cannabis by authority led or by whosoever has done it. Has happened.
Profit based, right? It's like this much is the amount. तुम जो बोलोगे हम तुमको जो प्रचार करना हम
आज भी PR, you can probably call it a PR. People do it.
Today it has a
fake news. Fake news is probably one of the.
It's a profession, and people are making their life out of it. Like
so something.
It amazes me.
Fake news kind of something which has been built and developed, and then probably lobbied into a policy formulations, and here we are now fighting for something which should have never actually happened in the first place. I mean, now let's move towards the global regulations. आज के time पे what's the status quo? I'll start with India. So 1985 में पहला आपका कानून आया. So 1961 में आपका UN का कन्वेंशन था जहाँ पे कैनबिस को एज अ ड्रग, एज अ हार्डकोर ड्रग की कैटेगरी में डाला गया. उसके बाद a lot of countries adopted. A lot of countries did not actually adopt it. Not a lot. I think Uruguay was the country जहाँ पे cannabis was always legal, as far as I remember. India has a very dynamic. I would say probably India did not want to ban cannabis पूरी तरीके से because we have a very strong narrative of it, be it medicinal, be it recreational, be it cultural. Bhang, Dhatura, Belpatra. This is something which we offer to Lord Shiva. It's not a a random thing. It's not, it's something that we do, I have done it, agar aap jao
Me
to.
too, yeah.
So, and obviously the acceptance of it in Ayurveda comes from your क्या कहते हैं इसको, वेदों में आता है. So Ved has very clear mention of bhanga being a very useful plant, ठीक है. And as Ayurveda has recognized cannabis leaf as a potential, medicine, so India का जो कानून बनाया गया था उस वक्त में, I'm not sure what was the intention behind it, but leaf and seeds were kept out of the definition of cannabis. So first thing is that you start defining things. मतलब सुमित कौन है पहले, ठीक है. So a very important part, owing to what was the reason, probably as I said, people did not wanted to make a law around cannabis क्योंकि of its prevalence and and also being a source of income for the government agencies because it is very state led. So leaf and seeds are kept out of it. UP में जाओगे आप, राजस्थान में
who's kept out of it? It is state led and
leaf. So the implementation, so there's one center policy, ठीक है, which kind of is pan-India, and then there are provisions. So जो revenue systems होते हैं ना, जैसे आपका लिकर है, ठीक है, लिकर भी आपका बहुत स्टेट लेड होता है. स्टेट एजेंसी जो एक्साइज होती है वो बनाती है. कैनबिस या कैनबिस लीफ की बात करें, नॉट कैनबिस, वो भी आपका स्टेट रेवेन्यूज के अंदर आता है. तो काफी सारे इंडिया के स्टेट्स हैं, जैसे आपका यूपी है, दे हैव गवर्नमेंट अप्रूव्ड भांग शॉप्स, ठीक है, जहाँ पे आपको भांग के गोले मिलते हैं. बनारस में तो खैर बहुत ज्यादा आपको ऐसे शॉप्स मिलेंगे, ठीक है. राजस्थान में भी आई बिलीव शॉप्स हैं, उत्तराखंड में हैं. तो ऑल दीज आर गवर्नमेंट का स्ट्रक्चरिंग है. सो काफी सारे स्टेट्स में गवर्नमेंट ने स्ट्रक्चर करा, मतलब अपने हिसाब से. तो
वहां पे नॉर्थ इंडिया में है ये, और
नहीं, साउथ में भी है, साउथ में भी है,
ईस्ट,
साउथ में भी है. हम्पी, आई एम नॉट 100% श्योर, बट हम्पी में भी शायद भांग का है स्ट्रक्चरिंग एकदम. मतलब आई एम नॉट, क्योंकि मैंने देखा नहीं है ना अपने आंखों से. मतलब बनारस में तो मैंने अपने आंखों से एकदम सामने देखा है सरकारी भांग की दुकान कह लो आप, ठीक है. सो जहां तक मैंने सुना, हम्पी आल्सो हैज इट. आई हैव हैड इंटरेक्शन विद medical officers, Ayurvedic doctors from Tamil Nadu who use bhang leaves for treatment of epilepsy in adults, ठीक है. So I mean Ayurvedic doctors, I won't say a lot of it, but some of it do get the quota of leaf. Since as I said state led, तो आपको quota मिलता है सर एजेंसीज के थ्रू जो आप यूज करते हो सर. That's one thing. So हिंदुस्तान के कानून की बात करते हैं. Sorry, again as I said, leaf and seeds हम चले गए थे. So even for cannabis hemp, जो flower and buds है ना, उनको भी ड्रग मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का हाउ डू आई से उनके बारे में भी लिखा गया है. सो आई मीन you can actually use them for manufacturing drugs, in India. 1985 के डॉक्यूमेंट की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है. So leaf and seeds तो out of the NDPS Act थे, ठीक है. तो वो एक तरीके से आपका जो एजेंसीज हैं वो थोड़ा सा आपका आयुर्वेदिक या उनमें डाल दिया गया था. लेकिन जो कैनबिस हेम्प है उसकी भी ड्रग्स आप बना सकते हो, ठीक है. दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई आई बिलीव जो आपका GW फार्मास्यूटिकल ने ट्रायल करा था इंडिया में, प्रॉब्ली कि उनका प्रॉपर फ्लावर्स एंड बर्ड्स वाला वो था आपका, क्या बोलते हैं, प्रोडक्ट था मेंशन्ड. लाइक अगर आप डॉक्यूमेंट एक्सेस करोगे ना, ओपन अवेलेबल, वहां पे प्रॉपर लिखा हुआ है कि क्या है, कितना कंसंट्रेशन CBD है, कितना THC है. दैट इज आल्सो मेंशन्ड आई बिलीव. 20 कल ही मैं I was looking at document anyway. So yeah, so Ayush के अंदर, Ministry of Ayurvedic के अंदर,
yes,
Ayurveda के अंदर this provision has been there, and trust me, in India there are 190 or something classical formulations of medicines जहाँ पे भांग लीफ का यूज होता है as an API, as a pharmaceutical ingredient. और हम पहली कंपनी नहीं जो ऐसा कर रहे हैं, दूसरी कंपनी नहीं है, ये 7 साल से हो रहा है. There's something called as त्रिलोका विजयावटी, ठीक है, जिसमें भांग पड़ता है. There's कामेश्वर मोदक जिसमें भांग पड़ता है, ठीक है.
These are all Ayurvedic small गोलियां जो
either tablets or
हाँ,
either a tablet or a चूरन based,
yeah.
हाँ, तो this is so, मतलब use of cannabis in Ayurveda in India has always been prevalent, ठीक है. विजया के नाम से ज्यादा प्रसिद्ध है, और विजया इज द more accepted name in the Ayurveda. But medicines बनते हैं हिंदुस्तान में, आयुर्वेदिक कंपनियां बड़ी बड़ी, लाइक आपको नाम पता होंगे, they make products.
Himalaya and all these
big companies.
Dabur and okay, these are very commercialized. They make literally everything. But or
companies of these nature, of these stature, are engaged in classical formulations of cannabis leaf medicines. Okay, so obviously India में होते आया है. Now I guess the whole globe is somewhat waking or awakening to it, probably because of the whole acceptance or demand or the lobby from common people. जैसे अब हम और आप आज बात कर रहे हो बैठ के, हमारे से बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो बात कर रहे हैं, जो खुल के बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, बिकॉज पीपल, अब इंडिया में तो आई नो इट इज लीगल. अगर आप कैनबिस, दिस इज रिसर्चेस हो चुके हैं, ठीक है, पब्लिश्ड पेपर है, हिंदुस्तान का कानून कहता है कि कैनबिस लीफ का आप दवाई बना सकते हो, हमारे पास आपके पास लाइसेंस पड़े हुए हैं गवर्नमेंट अप्रूव. तो खुल के बात करो यार, छुपाना क्या है, गलत थोड़ी ना है.
सुमित, ये अभी भी फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम बीइंग सो लर्नेड, सिंस ये मेरे डोमेन में इतना नहीं है, बट मैंने जैसे बचपन में सुना था यार ये सब गलत चीजें हैं, don't talk about it. And now like I'm like 29, 30 now, baby, you know, there's a small voice at the back of my head, illegal hai yaar, but then I'm like, oh shit, I'm rational enough to actually know that, you know what, things are changing, we are in changing times, and lots of good things have been done, and just because वो स्पॉटलाइट नहीं मिला ना, ये सारी चीजों को दब के रह जाती हैं, कि ले दे के इंसान. I know so many people, I've met so many Europeans, you know, they come and they say, you know, Shrestha, we've tried this, India is an incredible country, why do they spread bad news about this? From my parents had pain from so long, I had pain, like different kind of pain, we tried this therapy, that I came to know from foreigners who are actually going, taking trips in Rishikesh. Like I personally, my parents have gone, मैं तो इंडिया में हुई नहीं पिछले 6-7 साल से, so I am listening their feedback, and from them I came to know, and then eventually I got like, you know, got the feed ki okay, because since you're in this huge Manipal network or whatever it is, I came to know that your post is there, and I was like, yeah, this name is also familiar. So that's how I came to know, okay, like, you know, this is right now happening, and it's actually a very good thing. And I was like, okay, at least awareness and normal, we make it a common table topic, you know, at least I can discuss it with my colleagues during the break time, like within the break room conversations, वहीं से आइडिया स्प्रेड होती हैं.